so much, sir.
Wala yung cycle exam!
Uy, baby. Cycle and circle go.
My God!
Wala yung exam!
One girl's are changed, and they order start to play a song that sounds like a summer and they're hiding in the curtains. It's too bad I was invited by a lovely bride to be. She tell me I like a and three. Goodbye. Know you, I love you, I love you. Wait or say a single word. You need to hear me out and it says me down. I'll let you when you're out of the church at a rap door. Don't wait or say a single word. You need to should be very longer. Don't say it, run away now. Think about you need to hear me out. You say let's run away now. I'll met you when I'm not on the top of that door. Don't wait, I say about. So glad you came around when they said speak now.
Ay, ikaw din. Cheers! Ikanta na ako! Unandar di ang score. Nandun na siya, Inay kayo! Ako sunod. Inay kayo yun! Sa kayot, pabalan siya na. Ipa-MVC na yan. Nagapang siya!
My God, kumayo na lang. Uy, ako ba?
Oh, good meal. Ayos, ayos.
Fourth. Tara.
Nakita mo yun? At least ang cute kami. Tindugan dyan, oy.
Totoo ito sa ibaba. Gusto bagong tasin na nila.
Oh, na.
Grabe, di mo na kaya, oy. Di ba kaya ang
Ay, romba.
family?
May lang naman napugusog ka ang kinuladulaan. Yeah, before and after. Grabe ka siya makaon, oy.
Lang.
Saan yan? Ayaw ba yung tidian?
Ikaw na lang pimilitin ako.
Humility?
Tingnan mo, kawas na ron.
Hello!
Kimi! Imbis mangukay, tayo na lang, oy. Isa pa lang kaukayan sa ro.
Oo, kung saan pa may ibang ako kaya 100 na lang ako ba? Kami nagpa-hindi yan. Balit, may kita naman ito.
Enzel! Enzel Gabriel.
And then, Ay, gagawin. Secret. Secret na to siya. Kami rin nakasagot.
Oo ba?
Shut
up ba?
Want na ako ni. Kama na, oy. Ato magtagan-tagan ba? Kinsay mong karakter. Kaniyan sa ni Clue.
Balay day.
Huwag mo tayo Jenga sa
Our PIC social cultural dance, but end up buying something for ourselves. Ano na dyan na guys? It's very val and students price na dyan siya. So I will show you what I bought, and I think you need to go there also. So the first thing, it's 4 of them. So this is tops, guys, and I bought it for like 180, 2 for 180 pesos. And so the first one is this. It's like purplish, maroon, I don't know. Bagay ba siya? Sige. Ingani akong color. Akong skin tone sa white. And when you put this, oh my gosh, this suits me well. Like a difference sa white color when I went. Guys, look at that. It's giving color analysis. Two-way top. Like you can wear this na front ni siya, and you can wear this na mapuning front. So top is this. Na wear na ako na siya ganiha, guys. Gusto na ko ipakita sa inyo, ha. That's why di mo siya. Color is this. So the same style na siya aning first one, but it has different colors. So wala na po the choices. I was planning na magpalit og daghan, pero wala na ko'y kwarta, guys. So this is the top. It's like baby pink. So knitted siya, guys, and this is only 150 for 2. And me and my friend can split me sa 150. So isa ya. I was supposed to get the top, but the color. So this is so cute. This is a puff sleeve dress. I bought it for like 150, I guess. So
Tik na tanaw ni mo to. Si Trisha sa kuan. Sige, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Screenshot na.
1, 2, 3. Ana. Gusto na ko i-greet si Babo using this.
Kamusta gini ko nag-last post?
Siya hindi nag-print na kasi mong biochem.
O, printin na lang.
Printan na lang ito pa.
Para makapasa na siya.
Tapaan kang mama guys. Wala na oh. Eksakto na gini ang start ni CJ. Dami.
Kamabahala, guys. Ay, wala, asa madali ang gunting ko na kong yun.
Bisa siya hindi sa problema. Ay ganun si Kuya Dandan galing-ding pre. Sorry pre, hindi kasi kita kilala.